Acquisition easy. But did you say merger? Courts will start asking a lot of questions. This is straight merger, okay? Suppose this is straight merger. So please remember, merger, at least one unit loses its existence. At least one unit loses its existence. Suppose we say merging with Y. And Y survives. Then Kapil, Mr. Mani, please call it as reverse merger. Because logically it doesn't sound good, no? The chota entity is a survival. That's why you, excuse me sir, ICICI Bank and ICICI, it's a classic example. ICICI was, you know, obviously, was much bigger in size. What survived was ICICI Bank. Why ICICI Bank survived, Kapil, is because they took a decision in the future which business model will survive. That is why they let that survive. First one, straight. So it appeals to logic. Second one, reverse merger. And third one, thank you, X and Y combining and an altogether new unit is formed. Altogether new unit is formed. So we call it consolidation. That's also merger. We call it consolidation merger. But please note, sir, merger means one unit has to lose its existence. Period. Merger is far more difficult to do legally. Far more simpler because the acquisition is about buying stake. उसमें वो आपका जो लॉजिक है संजय जी वो आएगा 25, 50, 75. Can I humbly finish with takeover? What is takeover? Takeover is hostile. Last 2 minutes. Takeover is hostile. What is hostile means? Listen to this very carefully. Can I buy out your company, Mr. Rajesh? He says no. Okay. You have 5% shares. Balance 95% is there in the market. Let me give you an exact case. Mittal Arcelor. Mittal Court called Arcelor for a discussion and said, can we have an acquisition or a merger? And Arcelor said, no, we manufacture steel. You are third rate steel. Make a comment later. He said, fair enough. Who are you, Mr. Douglas? You have 10% stake in the company along with all your cronies put together. Balance 90% is there in the market. One, I'll go to them and say, we are passing a special resolution. Please vote in my favor. Or, if they are not going to vote in my favor, I'll buy them out. I'll pay them and buy them out. I'll push you out of the management. Takeover is hostile. You don't want to sell, but I will acquire. Takeover is, the chances of takeover are much more with listed. He's going to play that game with my esteemed colleague. I've requested it tomorrow. Listed companies, then with unlisted companies. And when we say listed companies, it is companies which are listed on exchange, where it's much more easier because shares are readily available. I'll give you some. Very good. She's so practical. I'll keep offering you such a price. Ultimately, at some price, now if you don't, it fails.
I can't buy unless the person wants to sell at whatever.
So I'll keep giving a sweetener. Everything is here. If you ask for such a price that I can't give,